What is going on, MOASS Nation? I've got a very quick update for you today on AMC and a little bit of an update on GME. We're going to get started right away, but before we do, you already know I'm going to ask you to go ahead and smash that like button so the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible, because you know that's what pisses Ken Griffin off. So if you like pissing Ken Griffin off, you need to go ahead, smash that thumbs up button right now. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, I'm not sure what in the hell you're waiting for, because I drop content just like this every single day. But enough of that, let's go ahead and get to the video. So yesterday we saw that AMC kind of rallied, but so did most of the market, the broader market. And as a matter of fact, the broader market has been kind of in a rally for the last 3 days. But why is that? Well, it's because we were seeing an Omicron relief rally. Yesterday, Pfizer and BioNTech came out and they said that 2 doses of their vaccine provide some protection from Omicron, but studies do show that a 3-dose regimen is much more effective at neutralizing the Omicron variant. Pfizer and BioNTech also announced that by March they're going to have an Omicron-specific vaccination out. Now, I've always told you on my channel that AMC is a reopening play, so we saw exactly what we would expect to see when news like that dropped. So with that good news coming out, why would AMC drop today? Why did GME drop today? They both dropped due to inflation concerns. Now, specifically, tomorrow morning we're expecting CPI data. Now, if it comes in hotter than expected, well, that's going to build a case for the Fed to really accelerate tapering. So anytime that we've got data coming out, investors are going to basically try to play the risk-off trade by taking some risk off the table and selling stocks. If this data does come in hotter than expected, you can believe that there's going to be more turmoil in the markets. This is especially true because Powell is speaking next week. Yes, we're going to get some more tapering talks. And with hotter than expected data, if that were to happen tomorrow morning, well, Papa Powell is going to have to basically respond appropriately, and we're probably going to get more acceleration talks, accelerated tapering talks. So that's never good for the market. So you can expect a little bit more turmoil, especially if that data, like I said, does come in hotter than expected. I am going to wrap this up by talking a little bit about GME. There is a little bit of news about it. We're going to do this very quickly. So number one, they were issued a subpoena back in August, but they just reported it. They're going to need to provide documents regarding its trading activity to the SEC. That's really all the information we have. I'm not sure what the SEC is up to in this case, but we'll figure it out very soon. I'm sure we'll hear something about it very soon, and then I'll report back to you guys about that. Number two, they did report a bigger than expected loss on their quarterly earnings report. So as you can imagine, that's also contributing to why GME stock is kind of dropping right now. That's all the news that I have for you guys today. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. And for the love of God, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, because you already know what I'm going to say is that I drop content just like this every day. Sometimes it's even better than this. So I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Go ahead and check out my videos that YouTube is recommending right now, because I think you're going to love those. And I will see you guys in the next video.